Thanks for joining us for the afternoon update. It is today the 22nd of September. The markets have just closed in agricultural markets that we follow. Cotton market closed a little higher in December, and we'll look at that right now. And make a comment about the cotton market. Over the last 2 weeks, the cotton market has dropped 789 points when we got the crop report that came out showing a bigger crop than we had expected. So a 789 point drop. I think we're at a point now where this market has dropped into a level where we might find some support, at least enough for a bounce. I don't know that it will be any more than that. There is weather news on the horizon for West Texas. Starting Sunday, there's about a 5-day chance of rain, not just rain, but some could be some significant thunderstorms. The crop is 30% to 50% open, and I can tell you that farmers in that area are very concerned about what could be about to happen and the effect on that cotton crop that could lead to more short covering and more of a bounce in this market. The cotton closed up 20 at 68.45 in December, a high of 68.77, a low of 67.86. March cotton closed up 2 at 67.60. Now let's look at the grain and oilseed, and I'll make a comment about that. This rally has been led by soybeans. We've seen very good demand numbers coming out for soybeans. We're also seeing some technical short covering and some buying among speculators in the soybean market. We took out a 200-day moving average today. Also a 30-day high in the market. November soybeans closing up 13 1/4 at 9.84 with a high of 9.87. So that market could be testing or about to test the $10 level. Certainly we've seen positive action. On the negative side, you have a very, very big crop and you're just now getting into harvest. That's not a time typically when you see a market moving up a lot, unless you've seen a really bad crop, and we're not really seeing that. So I guess the point is this market could see some more upside, but I don't know that at this moment it's ready to continue to move a lot. Corn up 3 1/4 at 353 1/2, a high of 356 1/4, a low of 349 1/2. December wheat down 3 1/2 at 449, a high of 455, a low of 448. The dollar was down 12, crude oil down 1 cent a barrel. Gold and silver were mixed, with gold up 5 and silver down 1. And the Dow Jones right now is down 35 on the day. That's it. We will be in here first thing Monday morning to look at what the latest weather forecast is showing for West Texas and what effect that might have on the cotton market. Thanks. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you then.